of the universe. When we take a look at the sheer, gigantic, starry sky at night, many of us realize how small we ourselves are in relation to the big picture. The thousands of twinkling stars in the firmament bear silent witness to the fact that our small home planet is only a tiny part of what is commonly known as the universe. Yet, even a quick glance at the canopy of the sky is enough to understand that the universe must be larger than anything we can even imagine. But can we scientifically understand how big the universe is in detail? This question has always been a central point in the field of cosmological research. It is even within the realm of possibility that this question can never be answered satisfactorily. We currently know that the universe as we know it today was created about 13.8 billion years ago. The process known as the Big Bang, which essentially describes the formation of matter, space, and time from a previous singularity. At the same time, this also means that we are currently able to look 13.8 billion light-years into space from the Earth. If one wanted to visualize this circumstance, one could create a spherical drawing with the Earth as the center. The rest of the sphere now describes the area we can see from our blue home planet, the expansion of the universe. If one considers the question of how big the universe is in its entirety, an essential fact cannot be ignored. As experts today now know, the universe is constantly expanding. While at the time of the Big Bang, an object was still about 13.8 billion light-years away from the Earth, the distance between the celestial body in question and our home planet is now already 46 billion light-years as a result of the expansion of space. This circumstance also means that in the future, we will be able to see objects in the firmament that are still hidden from our eyes today. At the same time, due to the expansion of the universe, some celestial bodies will disappear from our star charts in the future. Naturally, during these observations, we put our Earth in the center. This is simply due to the spatial circumstances, as we have no other choice than to mark our home planet as the central vantage point in our star charts. But at which geographical point our blue home planet is actually located within the constantly growing universe is impossible to answer today. Experts use a number of different methods that help researchers to explore the gigantic dimensions of the universe. Key research methods include certain measurements that investigate the radiation of the early universe. Using these radiation movements, scientists can determine different distances and try to quantify the dimensions of the universe. The oldest known light source that researchers have been able to identify in this way is 92 billion light-years away from Earth. Conversely, however, this does not mean that the located object is actually the outermost component of the universe. The question of whether the universe ends somewhere is actually much more difficult to answer than many of us would at first assume. Basically, the further away an object is from our home planet, the longer it takes for the light reflected by it to reach our Earth. Some objects in the galaxy are at such a great distance from us that the light rays they emit sometimes take billions of years before we can see them from Earth. According to this, there are currently still countless light rays in the universe on their way to us, which have been traveling through the universe for billions of years but have still not reached us. The precise exploration of the universe is essentially a work that will involve countless generations of experts. And even though we will probably never know in our lifetime how huge the universe is in detail,